Привет! Welcome to my channel and Labdian. I am so excited. Today I'm sharing my second recipe of my quick no-fuss salmon recipes. If you missed my previous video last week, you can check it out. I'll put the link at the end of the video and down in description. I have collaborated together with Alaskan Seafood and they have sent me their delicious salmon. And today we're going to be making this quick and easy, delicious lemon dill and cream salmon, which is baked in 15 minutes in the oven. So the whole dish is super easy, super delicious. So I know you're gonna love this recipe. It's perfect for, you know, if you're having a lovely dinner with your partner. If you have a larger family, you can make lots of fillets and just put them in the fridge if you have any leftovers, but I bet you won't. And I don't know, it's just so creamy. It's got that zest from the lemon. It's just so melts in your mouth. And I really love the creaminess with the dill. It just adds that extra flavor and obviously takes you back to my Eastern European roots. So I tried to make it more of a Latvian twist here. So yeah guys, thank you so much for Seafood Alaska. You can check out their website. They are really amazing. The food quality is so high, and for me it's all about eating high quality omegas and proteins and good fats. You will find the recipe on my blog. I'll leave the link down below so you can just take that, print it out or whatever. And I can't wait to see your photos on Instagram and Facebook when you do make this dish. Then tag us. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 2 wild Alaskan ki-salmon fillets, and they are just so delicious. They perfectly work in this recipe, and I just love the flakiness of them. So just unwrap your packaging. You can find the salmon in all the big stores like Ocado, Sainsbury's and Waitrose in UK. And I just want to show you how fresh they are. Look at them, just so beautiful. The fish from Alaska, you know, swims in the wild. That's why the fish here that I'm using is much firmer, it's fitter, and it's definitely a much vibrant fish. It's got a lot more nutrients in there. It doesn't have any coloring, artificials, preservatives of pesticides or any GMOs. So Alaskan fish definitely is the, you know, lives in the cleanest waters in the world. Into your baking tray, add your olive oil. You can use any other oil you prefer, but I do like the olive oil flavor with lemon. And then we're going to add our salmon fillets inside. I like to move a little bit just to make sure it doesn't burn. So just move a little bit, that way you've got the bottom of your salmon covered in a bit of oil as well. Take your paper towel and dry your fillets. Just press on them lightly and just get rid of any sort of moisture. Then season it well with salt and pepper. Then we're going to squeeze a lemon juice on top. And I like a lot of lemon juice, so make sure they're nice and covered. Lastly, we're going to add our double or heavy cream around the salmon fillets or on top as well if you want. You can use more cream if you like it very creamy and you like to have it more of a sauce. This recipe is perfect enough to cover the sauce and the salmon, and it just works really well. But I know some people love a lot of sauce. And lastly, I'm just adding dill, and you can use parsley as well, but dill really works here with lemon and cream together. It's a perfect combination. You're gonna love it. Bake your salmon for about 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. When the salmon is done, it's gonna look like that. It smells absolutely incredible in the house. I cannot explain the flavors. It's so easy. The dinner is done so quickly. Take out your fillets gently and then place them onto your serving board. I just want to show you how delicious the salmon is. Look at that. It's just such an easy recipe, and you know, if you have a big family or a partner and you're looking for that healthy dinner recipe, you know, something really quick and easy, this is the one for you. Place them onto your serving plate, add the sauce on the side, and you can always add more lemon juice if you want to. I like to serve it with sliced lemons on top and then sprinkle a bit more dill on the top as well. And there you go, guys. Look at this delicious, beautiful salmon in a creamy lemon and dill sauce. It's absolutely amazing. Such simple ingredients and incredible flavor. It really, it's not complicated, and there's nothing more amazing than a fresh salmon that melts in your mouth. And it really complements, the sauce really complements the dish so well. These days I'm eating salmon weekly, and I just love all the health benefits, and I've just been such a big, fan of all the seafood and salmon. I just can't get enough of this fish.